today's video, I will tell you the most important asked question, like what is the data engineers do daily in their job profile. So this is an interesting question. I will tell you what are the things normally a data engineer is doing. So we need to, as a data engineer, we want to quick idea about what are the data sources are available in a particular project. For example, the data is coming from the SQL DB, on-premises SQL DB, or data coming from a streaming like YouTube streaming, or any other streaming kind of data is coming as a source, or data is coming from a SAP system, or data is coming from a direct Excel or CSV. So in the requirement stage itself, as a data engineer need to know these are the source system available. And the second phase will be we need to directly communicate with the client. How the data need to transfer. Is it storing somewhere, or need to daily process the data, or need to schedule it for 1 month or 1 week or 2 weeks of period. So that kind of frequency we need to know. Based on that one, we are updating the tables, or we are updating the data in the cloud. So that is the base thing we are doing as a data engineer. And one more thing we can do, we need to, like I will tell you, like of duplication removal, and there is any issues in the any corrections in the data, we need to make it correct and to flow as a path. And we are expecting, the client is expecting some kind of data. The data engineer, he need to or she need to analyze this is the data correctly coming in the right path or right storage account. And we are responsible to connection. For example, there is a source system, right? In the source system and the Azure Data Factory or any other system to the connection, we need to set as a data engineer, we need to check. And secure transferring, the security analysis also we need to done. Then only our data engineering job will complete it. And this is the data kind of structured or semi-structured or unstructured data will come in from the source side, but we are responsible to doing this kind of thing into a corrected format. And for the Power BI or visualization part, then only client can expect from a more analysis. They can only do the more analysis on the machine learning part or something. For example, I will tell you, they are giving some data from a SAP system or Excel file for the last 1 or 2 years. So they need to analyze what will be the future of the company, or which area. Definitely based on the analysis, they want to know what will be the future thing of the or future data, what will be the future area you need to confident. So that time, once we get the data, as a data engineer process the data and store it somewhere. With the help of data analysis, they take the data and visualize it. And in the data scientist, they pick the data, apply some machine learning model and predict this is the area will become or boom in the future. So then only the client can impress. The combination of data scientist, data engineer, data analyst will be do the great job or great outcome to the client. Then it will help the client can understand, they will also happy. So this is the normal day-to-day life as a data engineer doing. Clear? Thank you.